Now we have a Symmetry versus a Riccar. Big difference in rug plates. One's plastic, one's metal. This 8850 has about 71 CFM at the nozzle, and this Simplicity Symmetry has like 42 CFM. They both, though, are self-adjusting. So I wonder how these full-size self-adjusting machines will actually do. So I'm going to start out initially with the Symmetry, and we're going to put it on floor. So low CFM and a self-adjusting head, and that wasn't enough to pick that up. Let me go over here, same thing. Alright, so didn't really do much with it, a little bit. So I will try. Can't believe this is going to be any good, but you know what? Maybe it'll shake some of it loose. I tried it with the other machine, so to be fair, I'll put it on carpet, see what happens. Well, that made quite a difference, didn't it? So that agitation was able to bounce most of those particles, except for this little piece right here, right up into the nozzle. So that definitely made a difference. Let me see if I can get this little piece. Alright, so same thing over here. Alright, so we definitely need the brush roll spinning and the bristles grabbing and agitating. Although, see how it's smeared some right here? Let me finish this up. Alrighty. Now let's take a look at the much older design 8850. See what it does. I've never normally really been a fan of self-adjusting heads. They have their purpose. I know some people really like them, but I love being able to set a height and stick with it. Sometimes when you have a self-adjusting head, it's never really adjusted very efficiently for some types of flooring and carpet. And you can see that with the Simplicity. So will we see that with the Riccar, or will the Riccar's different rug plate with much higher CFM make a big difference? Let's find out. And this 8850 test gets a special mention from my good friend Thomas Rechtenwald. I think it's his favorite machine. Alright, so let's see. Put it on floors. Start over here. See what happens. Well, yeah, a ton more CFM, like almost 30 more CFM from this guy, makes a difference. No need to turn the brush roll on. All right, let's try the other one. Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So, big difference in the way these machines perform. These machines have very similar suction, but very, very different airflow. All right. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.